And hey, did you visit Rexburg at all before? Like, did you come up and visit Lori before you moved here?
I did I think on a weekend where I didn't, because we had 50-50 custody. My ex Brandon Boudreaux and I, and so anytime I didn't have, wasn't my time with the kids, I was a wreck and just missed my kids. And so I'd try to go hike in Arizona or go on a trip. And I did go visit Lori for a weekend up there. And she said, like, just come, try out somewhere new, travel, and come see if you like it up here. And we toured BYU, Idaho. And she said Tylee was with friends, and she always is with friends, so I didn't ask any questions about that. And JJ's either doing some type of therapy or with a nanny or in a school that will help him. And so if I didn't see him, I wasn't like asking, where is he?